Last petition by the member for Kinango, Benjamin Talu Tayari.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to present to the House public petition number 25 of 2020 regarding irregular transfer of ownership of Chenze Ranch from Chenze Ranching Cooperative Society. I, the undersigned, on behalf of concerned shareholders of Chenze Ranching Cooperative Society Limited, draw the attention of the House to the following: that, subject to Article 65, every person has the right, either individually or in association with others, to acquire and own property of any description and in any part of Kenya, as long as it is lawfully acquired. 2, that at independence, the Kenya Triangle Grazing or Hunting Block number 24, situated in Kwale, was classified as a game block and was later designated as a livestock rearing area and a ranch management concept to benefit the local people, and divided into several ranches, namely Kuranze Ranch, Lungalunga Ranch, Mwabeja Ranch, and Chenze Ranch. 3, that Chenze Ranch, measuring approximately 32,000 hectares, was earmarked and set aside for ranching for Chenze Ranch Cooperative Society, registered in 1968 under certificate number 1786. 4, that from 1968, the Chenze Ranching Cooperative Society embarked on what has been a complicated, frustrating, and long journey towards acquisition of a title deed for Chenze Ranch. That in 1991, the society was shocked when it discovered that the parcel had been irregularly registered as parcel LR number 24030 and 19198, and title deeds issued to Red Bridge Limited. That so as to reverse the unfortunate historical injustice that had occasioned disinheriting of the local community of the said parcel, the Chenze Ranching Cooperative Society Limited filed a case with the National Land Commission NLC in 2015. That a preliminary finding by the National Land Commission revealed that all prerequisite formalities pursued by Chenze Ranching Cooperative Society since 1968 clearly indicated that the land rightfully ought to be registered in favor of Chenze Ranching Cooperative Society as the owners, and that the land register should revoke the title number LR 19198. That the National Land Commission declared LR number 24030 in the name of Red Bridge Farm purportedly in Kwale illegal, since the parcel of land is in fact in Karen, Nairobi County, and further declared that the illegal entry in Mombasa registry be forthwith expunged. That the National Land Commission declared that LR number 19198 should revert to the county government of Kwale, who were directed to start registration of the rightful owners of the parcel and further reserve space for public utilities and markets. That officials of Chenze Ranching Cooperative Society later discovered in 2019 that the then Vice Chairperson of the National Land Commission, Ms. Abigail Magaya Mukolwe, renegade on the Commission's minuted resolutions and purported to award Red Bridge Farm Limited as the legal owner of Chenze Ranch under unclear circumstances, in breach of the constitutional mandate of the National Land Commission. That if this injustice is not reversed, members of Chenze Cooperative Society Limited stand the risk of being disinherited of Chenze Ranch and subjected to permanent loss of livelihoods. That the petitioners have sought justice from various government agencies such as the County Commissioner, the County Government of Kwale, and the National Land Commission in futility. That none of the issues raised in this petition is pending in any court of law, constitutional or judicial body. Therefore, your humble petitioners pray that the National Assembly, through the Departmental Committee on Lands, A, inquires into the issue raised in this petition with a view to establishing the circumstances under which Chenze Ranch was irregularly subdivided and registered in favor of Red Bridge Limited, and recommends appropriate action against individuals who aided the irregular transfer. B, intervenes to cause the relevant government agencies to consider revoking both lease title deeds given to Messrs. Redbridge Limited for LR number 24030 and LR number 19198. C, recommends that lease titles for the entire block of 32,000 hectares of land in Chenze be issued to bona fide owners. And D, makes any other recommendations that it finds fit in addressing the plight of these petitioners. And your petitioners will ever pray. Presented by Honorable Benjamin Dalu Stephen Tayari, member for Kinango constituency. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
It looks like that's a matter that has been dealt with by the National Land Commission and has made findings. Now, so National Assembly is going to do what now again? You know, let's not act in vain. Because under the Constitution, there's a specific mandate given to the National Land Commission, which is exactly which they have done, exactly as you've read out. They have made very specific and clear findings. I thought that what was left was now implementation of those findings. Honorable Tayari.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. What actually transpired is that National Lands Commission made recommendations that the land should be reversed to the owners of the Chenze Ranching Society. But unfortunately, before the term of the previous commission, the members found a report which had been written by the former vice chair, reversing the land back again to Redbridge Limited. And that's why this petition has been presented to the House, Mr. Speaker. So actually, the members of the ranch and the members of the society are kindly requesting for intervention so that the land can be reversed back. If it's NLC who are supposed to do it again, or Ministry of Lands, they need that assistance, Mr. Speaker.